Hello guys, welcome to my next video on what is day trading. In this video, you will understand how to become a day trader, what all are required to become a day trader, and what mindset you need to develop to be a successful day trader. Alright, so let's start with it. And before that, please hit subscribe button and bell button so that it will boost me to create more and more educational videos about day trading. And you will also get notification whenever I upload a new videos. Alright, so let's start with my first slide. What is day trading? Day trading is getting the benefits of price movement on each day by trading the bullish market or a bearish market, which means how much ever the price move on that day to catch those price moves and make profits out of it. For example, we as a trader buy a stock and if the price moves up, we make money. And in the same way, we sell the stock first and if the price goes down, we make money out of it. But the thing is how to find the right stock or index which moves up or down. This is where you need to have a good knowledge on technical skills. I'm a purely technical trader. I trade based on pivot levels, support and resistance with the price action combined. I don't trade based on fundamentals. All right. There are various trading styles. One is intraday trading, swing trading, positional trading, and investment. In intraday trading, the holding period is only for one day, which means max by 3:30 p.m. you have to close all your positions and will not keep it overnight. And in swing trading is when your trades last for many days, and your positional tradings is when your trades last for many weeks, and your investment is thing when your trades last for many months or years. These numbers are just for reference. These are not exact numbers. It's only for reference purpose. All right. So now, for now better understanding of day trading, I'll compare the day trading, intraday trading with the investment. See, day trading and intraday trading, both are same. All right. So let's see the difference between trading and investment. Trading is for short term. You have to buy and sell or sell and buy on the same day. Whereas an investment is for long term. When you buy, you can hold it for as many years you want it. In trading, risk is very high, but in investment, the risk is less. Suppose you buy a stock now, and if the market goes against you, you can still hold it if your analysis says it will go up. But whereas in trading, you can't do that. At any cost, you have to close your positions before the market close. That is before 3:30 p.m. Trading will be done based on technical analysis, whereas an investment is done based on fundamental analysis. In trading, profits are faster since transaction of buy and sell happens on the same day. If your analysis goes wrong, then the loss also will be very fast. Whereas an investment, investors has to wait for long term to get good profits. Now, for all traders, all discount brokers provide good leverages. Each broker has their own leverage numbers, and we can trade using their margin amount. Now, what is leverage and margin? For example, I have only 20,000 in my trading account, but I want to buy 1,000 shares of XYZ company, whose price value is 500 per share. So 1,000 shares into 500 rupees per share is 5 lakhs. So brokers provide leverage as 20 to 30 times. So now 5 lakh divided by 30 times leverage is 16,700. It's an approximate amount is required to buy 1,000 shares of XYZ company. The remaining is the margin amount which brokers provide for us to trade. Whereas in investment, for investors, no leverage will be provided. He has full amount in his account to buy shares. Traders can make money if the stock goes up, and if the stock goes down, also traders can make money out of it. Whereas in investors make money only if the stock goes up. That's it. So these are the major difference between day trading and the investment. Now, what strategies does a day trader use? See, different traders use different kind of strategies. Some trader use technical indicators and oscillators like a moving average, Bollinger Band, RSI, MACD, and there are many more. And some trader use ORB method. ORB means open range breakout, which is very old strategy, and still many new traders and experienced traders use it. You can check about this ORB method online. You'll get tons of videos about that. All right. And some traders trade based on data like option chain data, OI data, relative volume data, and there are many more like that. They'll calculate the using those data, they'll calculate and they'll identify the market direction, and then they take the trades accordingly. And some traders, and even me, trade based on price action. We'll analyze the chart, how the market is behaving at support and resistance level, and how price reacts, and also the patterns it forms on the chart. We'll identify those and take trades accordingly. All right. Now, which instrument does a day trader use? Few traders trade with cash segment, futures, options, commodity, forex market, and few trades only with cash segment, that is stock segment, and few trades with future and options, and few trades with all the instruments. It depends on them, depends on individual thinking. I trade with Bank Nifty futures and options, and Nifty futures and options, and only very few times I trade with cash. Most of the time I trade, I can say almost 90% of time I trade with Bank Nifty and Nifty options only. But depending on the market condition, if the option premiums are not moving much, then we'll go for Bank Nifty and Nifty futures, or I'll go with option writing. Option writing is a different concept, wherein it's like instead of buying option, you sell the option. That is called as option writing. I'm purely a day trader. I don't keep the positions overnight. I don't do swing trading, positional trading, nor the investment. I don't have to worry about about tomorrow's market, whether it will have a gap up opening or a gap down opening. If I keep the positions overnight, I could be in a big profit, or else I could be in a big loss. But since I am a day trader, I don't have to worry about it. I'll close all my positions max by 3:30, and I'll enjoy my rest of the day. I'm purely a technical analyst. I trade based on technical only. I don't take trades based on fundamental analysis. So now, next is what is required to be a successful trader. See, you as a trader, you should have a good strategy which suits you, which should be back tested aggressively with compulsory stop loss, and one should have a chart reading skill as well. Many new traders will find a strategy, and without backtesting it, and also without knowing how their strategies works on different market condition, they start trading using it and lose money. So as a trader, you should have a good strategy. Next is proper risk management. Money management and position sizing. Position sizing means number of shares is very much important in day trading. It's all about how much money you risk from your capital on each trade and how much position you take on each trade. Position sizing should be based on your stop loss, and also not to take high number of positions just because you have money. Not all trades will be successful, right? So before taking the trade, one should have one should know prior how much he's risking in this trade, and so how much positions you need to take. Even though you have high bank balance, you should never take unplanned position. Also, before taking any trades, you should know where should you keep your stop loss. Without knowing your stop loss, please don't ever take the trades, because not all trades will be in profit. A few might go in loss too. So your stop loss, your loss also should be planned, right? Next is your risk reward ratio. Your risk reward ratio should be fixed. There is RR ratio. The minimum risk reward ratio should be 1 is to 2, which means if you are loss taking capacity is 2000 in a trade, then your profit should be 4000 on that trade if you win. So if your winning ratio is 50% also, then also you will be in profit by the month end. And risk should be based on your capital. Suppose you have 1 lakh in your account, so only 2% of your capital you have to risk. That means 2000. That's it. You should never think that you should be in profit every day. It will never happen. No traders in this world will be in profit every day. All right. Then next is emotional controlling capacity. It is psychology. Many traders lose money because they lack in controlling their emotion. When their trades goes in loss, they will remove the stop loss and wait. They will be in the impression that according to me it has to go up, but now it's falling. That's okay. After some time it will go up. Then I'll book my profit. But finally they'll end up in a big loss. Also, when their trades are in profit, many traders have a tendency to book their profits sooner, with the fear that they might lose their profit. So finally, profits will be less, but the losses will be more. All right. Next is never should do revenge trading. Just because you are in loss on previous trade, you will take up the trades even though there will be no entry based on your strategy, but still you take up trades just to cover up your previous loss trades. You should never do that. Don't do revenge trading. Don't fight with the market. Just go with it. Market will give you the money. Next is over trading. See, few traders takes too many trades in a day. Since they have learned trading and they are a day trader, they think that they have to trade whole day. But no, trading full day is not required. One or two good trades would be enough for the day. Also, if you don't get any trades, that's okay. It's not necessary that you have to trade every day. Sometimes it may happen that you won't get any good opportunities to trade, and that's okay. You don't have to force yourself to take trades, even though you don't get any opportunities. You should take trades only when you get good opportunities based on your setup. All right, and this emotion can be controlled only by risking less amount from your capital at the starting stage and slowly increasing your risk amount. That's it. Now, next is what strategy I use. See, every trader should have their day trading strategy. Without proper strategies, please don't take trades blindly. Okay, and also your risk management must be involved in your strategy. And now, my strategy is based on pivot levels, finding support and resistance level on a longer time frame. And then I take trades based on price action and the patterns which forms on those levels. And also I use VWAP and 20 EMA just to know the overall market trend. And then I take trades using 5 minutes time frame, and which is giving me consistent result. Later, after a few days, we'll start to share my trades and we'll explain in detail why I took those trades and where was my stop loss and what was my take profit level, so that you will get a better understanding. All right. Then next is which broker to choose. See, there are many brokers in India to open your demat account and a trading account. But I would suggest to go with discount brokers, where in discount brokers charge less brokerage. All right. Some of the discount brokers are Fires, Zerodha, Upstock, and Asta, and there are many more. I trade using Fires. I have an account with Sharekhan, Zerodha, Upstock, Asta, and Fires. I tried all these discount brokers, and before Fires started, I used to trade using Asta and read chats using Sharekhan tool. But once Fires started, I became a big fan of Fires since it allows me to trade from chat itself and also to modify my stop loss and target from the chat itself just by drag and drop. Unlike other brokers, wherein to modify your stop loss or target and also to exit your positions, you have to go to the order book and pending or pending orders and then update there and click confirm to execute, which takes time. As a day trader, one should be very fast, and even the tool which he uses should be very fast to execute. Fires is almost a copy of TradingView, which is very famous, but it's expensive. Every month you have to pay almost 3,000 to 3,500 per month to use their software, which I feel is not necessary. Uh, I will also do a video on Fires, like how to use it what type of orders are available in it, and there are many more. If you want to open an account with Fires, you can directly contact them. Not only Fires, you can open with whichever you like with Fires, Zerodha, Upstock, and Asta. So these are the website name. You can directly go to their website and get the contact details, and you can open an account with them, which is online itself. All right, guys. With this, I hope you've understood about day trading. If you have any queries, please leave it below, or you can also contact me. This is my email address. You can drop me an email. I'll reply to your email. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.